You keep rolling your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. At least inside my mind, there's no confines from what I seek.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back once again. And if you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button if you want to see old units, new units, go-to units, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this wonderful unit on my head. Check out this human hair dupe. This is one of the new Bobbi Boss units from the Miss Origin Designer Mix collection. It is a hand-tied 13x6 frontal, and it is a Brazilian wave 26 inches. Oh my god, I am in love with this unit. So if you're interested in seeing a couple ways that I styled this and finding out the construction of this unit, just stay tuned for this video.
When I grow like Bobbi grow, and time pass, and they will always know the light. When to and down to close. When I grow like Bobbi grow, and time pass.
been just impressing me like crazy lately. So I feel like they've been trying to do their own version of Sensational's What Lace, but for us darker skinned girls. This is the second unit that I'm reviewing from the Miss Origin collection, and my number one favorite part about this is the fact that the lace is darker, honey. So it is so much easier to blend than any unit I've tried from the What Lace collection. So if you are a brown skin girl like myself, this is going to be your go-to. So this is a hand-tied 13x6 frontal wig, you guys. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. I do have the straps adjusted almost to the tightest setting, so if you have a bigger head, do not fear. I'm positive this one will fit you. So I do feel like this is small, medium, and big head friendly. And these curls are literally just everything. And let me tell you one of my absolute favorite parts about this unit. It's like normally when you get synthetic curly units, the more that you finger comb it, it starts to just grow and grow and grow and get all fuzzy and stuff like that. But this, honey, I have been obsessed with just running my fingers through it because it feels so natural. It's like, I can't even explain it. It's super soft. It's not blowing up the more I keep running my fingers through it. Look at this. I can just keep running my fingers through it. Yes, I am getting some shedding, even though that is to be expected, but it's not anything insane. For example, it's not like the Sensational What Lace Dancy. That one, you touch that bad boy in any way, shape, or form, your hair is going to be blown up. This one, like, I'm literally running my fingers through it and like what? And it's curly hair. Like, they did a good job. This definitely comes off human hair. It does say it's a human hair blend, and they are not kidding with that. It's a sophisticated free parting. I'm wearing it in the color natural brown, and this of course sold out so quick. I feel like as soon as it comes back, I'm gonna be in another one because this is scalp action. It's so realistic. Like, I cannot stress that enough. This is everything to the front. It has a really nice density. I like the fact that it's like more fuller towards the top and then gets thinner at the bottom. It's a very natural density. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. I feel like this is what a lot of us out there have been looking for, and they absolutely killed it. I am so impressed. I will be picking it up again. You guys need to pick it up again. You will be as excited as I am. I guarantee you that. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you like this. I hope you like this video. If you do, just like the video, give me a subscribe, comment down below if there's any other new units or old units or anything in between that you want me to pick up and try for you, any different colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
When I